Now the question is, if vector A and vector B are two unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, then we have to show that sine half theta is equal to half with the magnitude for vector A minus vector B. Now if theta is the angle between unit vectors vector A and vector B, then vector A dot vector B is equal to cos theta, and this implies vector A dot vector B is equal to 1 times cos theta is equal to cos theta. Now to this part, whole square is equal to whole square for vector A square minus vector B square. Now what we have done, we have used an identity vector A minus vector B whole square is equal to minus 2 vector A dot vector B, or this can be written as A square plus B square minus 2 times vector A dot vector B. Now this becomes 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. A dot B is what? Cos theta, and this becomes now 2 minus 2 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Identity. Okay. So identity for trigonometric form. This now this becomes or this is 4 sin square theta by 2. No. Or vector A minus vector B is equal to now 2 sin theta by 2. 1 upon 2 is equal to sin half theta. Proved.